Hello and welcome to justcomparecars.com. My name's James and today I'm going to be doing a walk around video of this 2018 Ford Ranger 3.2 TDCI 200 Wildtrak Auto with a Raptor body kit. This particular vehicle's done 23,000 miles and it's got full service history, and it's also got the remaining amount of manufacturer's warranty until June 2021 or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. We've been doing the walk around videos for quite a while now, the idea being that you get to view the vehicle as if you were here in person, but from the comfort of your own home. Today I'll be walking around the vehicle. I will show you any marks, any scratches, any dents. I'll show you the wheels and the tyres. I'll show you in the back. I'll show you inside the vehicle. I'll show you obviously each seat, and then I'll show you the functionality inside as well. And then after that I'll show you under the bonnet, and finally underneath the vehicle to show you the chassis and also the spare wheel, etc. If after the video you've got any questions, all my contact details are on the very last page. Also, it's worth mentioning that we can deliver this vehicle anywhere in the world. Obviously in the UK it's much easier, but obviously anywhere in the world, again, we can do that. I just need to know which port you want it dropping at, and obviously we can get you a price for that. If you like the vehicle and you want to finance it, again, it's something that we can do for you, no problem at all. What we ask for is a deposit to cover the VAT, and then an application will take about 5 minutes, and we can usually get you a decision within an hour. Okay, so let's start by looking over the bonnet, and then we can obviously work our way around from there. Obviously it's a 2018, it's done 23,000 miles, so it's in really good condition. I can tell you that the body kit's been put on well. We do fit these body kits ourselves. This one, however, it wasn't fitted by us, it came like this. But I have been around it, had a look at it, and it's been fitted really well. It's a nice kit, it looks really good as well. Okay, so on the bonnet, there's no obvious dents or marks. One final thing, just while I remember, I am filming in HD, so whatever you're watching it on, make sure that it's on the best possible setting for that. Okay, so nothing to see on the bonnet at all. Really beautiful shiny car, and there's no dents or scratches on that panel at all. So let's work our way around the front bumper. It's worth mentioning that underneath the Ford logo, there are LED lights that light up here, and as soon as you switch your lights on, they light up. So there's no marks that I can see on the bumper. I'm actually lying, I can see something now. It's a bit wet. There is a little mark there. And there's also a very light rub mark there as well. It's not bad, but it's there. So, front wing. So the wing's in great condition, as is the plastic trim. No nasty marks that I can see, there's no dents. So, passenger side front wheel and tyre. The wheel's in good condition. And the tyre, I would say there's about 6 or 7 mil. 20-inch alloys. So let's work our way down the passenger side. We're looking for any marks, scratches or dents again. There's nothing that's obvious. Back of the mirror's in good condition, as is the glass. Rear quarter. Again, the plastic's in great condition, as is the bodywork. All the plastics are good on the lenses. So, passenger side rear wheel and tyre. Again, the wheel's in great condition, there's no marks on it at all. And again, the tyres are the same, maybe a touch more on the back. 7mm, maybe. Obviously it's all approximate, I've not got a gauge. Rear bumper. So we have got parking sensors and a reversing camera here, and I will show you that working in a few minutes. We've got a tow bar as well with what seems to be 13-pin adapter. Yeah, it's got the 13-pin. Obviously these will tow 3.5 ton. Driver side lens, great condition. Doors in good condition as well. No obvious marks, scratches or dents. So we've got a roll and lock shutter on the back, which is a red rock. Really good quality. It's just... Okay, it was a bit tight, so there you go. It's open, as you can see. Nice and clean in the back. Just shut that again. Okay, so let's work our way down the driver's side. There's no dents that I can see on there. All the plastics are in nice clean condition as well. So driver's side rear wheel and tyre. Again, matching to the other side, loads of tread, wheels in great condition. Rear spoiler. Rear window. No problems at all. Oh, Amy's coming to say hello. So let's work our way down the driver's side. Again, I'm looking for any marks, scratches or dents. There's nothing obvious. Did just notice a small stone chip there. It's about the same size as a screw head, very small. No dent, it's just a small chip. It's obviously a stone's caught it at some point. Just on the edge of the door, like it maybe just caught it on something, but there's a little bit of paint missing, but it's not dented. The panel's really clean. Front wing, driver's side. And the plastic is great as well. So, driver's side front wheel and tyre. Matching the other side, so it's a full set of tyres, Coopers, and they're all very, very good, and the wheels are really good as well. Mirror back. And glass, so a quick look on the roof. There's no nasty marks on there, all nice and clean. So have a quick look at the glass on the front. So all the glass is good as well. Okay, so let's have a quick look inside. So driver side door card. You've got electric windows ×4, and you can also lock your windows as well. The driver's seat is electric, and it's got the black and orange Wildtrak seats. As you'd expect, the seats are in fantastic condition. Bolsters are nice and firm. There's no sagging at all. All the material's very nice and clean. and it smells nice as well. So the electric seat comes forwards, backwards, all the way up. Let's go to the top. So there's lots of manoeuvrability on the seat and all the way down as well. And obviously the backrest will go forwards and backwards as well. Obviously. Right, let me jump in. Let's just start it up. It fires up straight away, no problems at all. It ticks over smoothly. Let me just switch that down. Yeah, it fires into action straight away. It's really smooth. No problems at all. Very nice. Sounds beautiful as well. So obviously on these ones they've got a really good media center and reversing camera. On your home page you can see you've got navigation, and then obviously a radio device, and also your heated seats. Everything works as you would expect it to perfectly. Let me show you the reversing camera, because they are really very good in these, exceptionally clear. And as you can see, because you've got reversing sensors as well, you do get a reversing fan as well. So if you don't get the depth from the reversing camera, which I can't see how you couldn't because it's so clear, you do get obviously extra fans as well to give you a depth. So yeah, that's a really good reversing camera. With it being 2018, you do get the updated system. So you've got applications for your phone, Bluetooth, navigation, and then obviously if you go into settings, some things that I quite like is it's got Wi-Fi, and also you've got ambient lighting as well, so you can pick the ambient lighting. So it might be difficult to see, but down in the footwells you can get different colours. So if you click on red, purple, blue and ice blue, all the different colours that light up around the vehicle come in that colour. Excuse me. You do get DAB as well, of course, climate control, etc, etc, etc. You know, everything on this vehicle, they're phenomenal. Really great system. Dual zone climate control. You can switch it off by pressing down here, or switch it on. A bit further down, hopefully you can see the two little blue lights, two USBs, so you can charge your phones. You can also plug your phone in as well, so you get your functionality of your phone on the media center. You've got two cup holders in the front, and then decent size armrest with coin holders, obviously matching leather and stitching. Passenger seat, as you can see, is again, it matches the driver's seat. It's in really good condition. All the bolsters are nice and firm, very clean. Everything's just nice, as you'd expect it to be. In the back it's the same. Oh. There's a centre armrest with cup holders for your passengers in the rear. Glasses holder. I can tell you it smells nice inside. Doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. From my point of view, I can't stand it when people have smoked in it, because obviously it does leave a tainted smell, and there's none of that. That's good. Down by your right knee you've got your lights, and also your rear canopy light as well. Let's pop the bonnet. So in the back, again, the door cards are really clean, as is the back. Obviously it's got a full set of Ranger mats, which is nice. It's got the overlap map as well. Back of the seats are all very clean. It's worth mentioning, there are two full-size keys, and there are also two keys for the canopy, not the canopy, the roll and lock as well. Here's your mirror control and also your electric folding mirrors as well. So as you can see, when you press the button and put the ignition on, they fold in as you would expect. Like so. So passenger side door card, again really good condition, very clean. As you can see, it's not an electric passenger seat, but very clean, very clean all round. Really nice, smart truck. Yeah, so everything's as it should be. Everything's really nice, clean, smart, tidy. As I'm sure you'll appreciate, it does look exceptionally good with the body kit as well. Okay, let's have a quick look under the bonnet. Remind myself how I do that. Okay, so as you can see, it's on a pneumatic lift. The engine's exceptionally clean. It's 20,000 miles, full service history. No real shocks. So from my point of view, I usually look around the turbo just to see if there's any oil residue, because obviously that's important. You don't want it leaking oil in your turbo. Everything looks nice and dry. Down the side, and you can see there's no oily residue down there either. All the belts look good. Fluid in the header tank looks good as well. Brake fluid looks nice and clean. Everything looks as you'd want it to. Very clean, very smart. Okay, so let's have a quick look underneath. So as you can see underneath, the same, it's matches. There's no oily residues or anything. Everything looks nice and clean and tidy. We've got a full-size spare with, I'm trying to get a decent image of the tyre. It looks to be a brand new tyre. It looks virtually new. In fact, I think it is new. Yeah, it is. And it's a full size as well, which is good. Okay, so hopefully I've covered everything that you could potentially want to see. If you're here in person, I don't think I've missed anything out. But obviously, if you think I've missed something, or if you want to see something in a bit closer detail, all my contact details will be at the very end. Appreciate your time. Thanks for looking. Bye bye.